What's going on, karate family? It's Juliana Holmes. Today we're going to be continuing our kata tutorial series with the Korean form Joong Gun. Joong Gun was named after the Korean patriot Joong Gun, who assassinated Hirobumi Ito, the first Japanese Governor General of Korea. The 32 movements of this form represent Joong Gun's age when he was executed in Luisheng prison in 1910. So as you can see, all these forms are named for Korean people, patriots, events. It would be the equivalent in the United States of naming a form the George Washington form, or another form the Abraham Lincoln form. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 32 movements. Again, you can expect to see a full speed run through of the form, followed by a half speed walkthrough with voiceover narration so you can pick up all those finer details. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I will see you in the next video. Chung Gun hyung. And now for your half-speed walkthrough. Paying respect, coming to attention, bow, followed by salutation. Left hand over the right, this time stopping in front of the solar plexus. Left hand is going to fold for an outside ridge hand block, stepping out with the left foot, outside ridge hand, followed by a left leg standing front kick, step through, rising palm strike. Same thing on the other side, right hand, outside ridge hand, followed by a right standing front kick, step through in a back stance, rising palm strike. Quarter turn to the left in a back stance with a reinforced knife hand chop and a rising uppercut elbow. Same thing, reinforced knife hand chop, left hand rising elbow strike. Fold both hands on the ribs, step double high punch. Again, folding on the ribs, step double half punch with a ki. Low X block at a 45-degree angle, protecting the knee. Fold again, step across, and a high X block. Pulling the left hand on top, left foot sliding back, stepping out into your back stance, back knuckle strike to the temple, pull back, stepping out back stance, folding for your reverse punch and reverse punch. Slide left to right, step the right foot out, right hand back knuckle strike, slide feet together, step out, fold for your reverse punch and reverse punch in a forward stance. Sliding reinforced outside block in a forward stance. Pull back to your cat stance, left hand side punch. Followed by a pivoting side kick with the right leg. Landing again with your reinforced outside block. Pull back, side punch in a straddle stance. Again, pivoting side kick. Land in a traditional fighting stance, back stance with a guard up. Adjust to a forward stance, the left hand drops down. Slow motion on a 6 count, the hands pass. Again, same thing. The lead hand drops, and then on a 6 count, the hands pass in the middle with a rising palm strike and a low block. Slide left to right, heart punch. Step the right foot out, pull grab, and then you're going to slide the other way, same thing, with a ki. Return to salutation, attention, bow. If you liked the video, please help me grow my channel. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.